Did you know the largest explosion in recorded history left absolutely no trace of what caused it? On June 30th, 1908, something detonated over Siberian wilderness with the force of 1,000 Hiroshima bombs. The Tunguska event flattened 2,000 square kilometers of forest in seconds. Trees were stripped bare and scattered like matchsticks across the landscape. The blast was so powerful it knocked people off their feet 40 miles away. Seismic instruments across Europe registered the shockwave. But here's what makes it truly terrifying. No crater was ever found. No meteorite fragments. No evidence of what exploded. For days afterward, strange glowing clouds lit up night skies from Asia to Europe. People could read newspapers by this eerie light at midnight. Over 115 years later, scientists still cannot definitively explain what happened. Was it a comet? An asteroid? Something else entirely? The most disturbing